Chainsaw Man Ending 8. I've heard a lot of good things about this, and the reason for that is the guy that sang Unravel is also doing this ending, and people are extremely positive. So, without further ado, Ending 8 of Chainsaw Man. Whoa. I was not expecting it to be this aggressive. I'll be honest, I don't know what to think of this so far. It's just crazy. And Aki. Is this ending gonna be focused on Aki? That would be cool. But I hear his voice. This anime just looks incredible. Whoa. Is that Aki? I think that's Aki. Yeah, that's Aki. Okay, here we go. That's not Aki. What the fuck? I don't know what to think of this ending. The visuals are crazy. What the song? Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't know what to think of this ending at first, but wow. A Aki focused ending. I mean, Aki is the best character in the show so far. I love this. Damn, that was just a crazy ending. I'll be honest, I don't know if the song really lived up to the hype.